Stop struggling with uneven slices. We've all been there, trying to get that perfect cut with a knife, only to end up with a mess of uneven pieces. It's frustrating and time-consuming. Discover the magic of the Mandoline slicer and slice like a pro. This tool is a game-changer in the kitchen, making your slicing tasks not only easier, but also more precise. Meet your new best friend in the kitchen, the Mandoline slicer. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this tool will revolutionize the way you prepare your meals. This nifty tool makes slicing veggies a breeze. Imagine effortlessly slicing through cucumbers, carrots, and potatoes with uniform precision every single time. Say goodbye to uneven cuts and hello to professional-looking slices. Your salads, stir-fries, and garnishes will look like they came straight out of a gourmet kitchen. There are different types of Mandoline slicers out there. From basic models to more advanced ones, there's a Mandoline slicer to fit every need and budget. Adjustable thickness models let you choose your slice size. Whether you need paper-thin slices for a delicate dish or thicker cuts for a hearty stew, these models have you covered. Handheld ones are great for quick jobs. They're compact, easy to use, and perfect for those times when you just need to slice a few veggies quickly. And stationary models? Perfect for heavy-duty slicing. These are ideal for larger quantities and more frequent use, making them a staple in professional kitchens. Blades come in various types too. Each blade type offers a different slicing style, allowing you to get creative with your cuts. Straight blades for simple slices. These are your go-to for basic, everyday slicing tasks. Julienne blades for matchstick cuts. Perfect for creating those thin, uniform strips that are great for salads and stir-fries. And waffle cut blades for that fun, crinkly look. These add a decorative touch to your dishes, making them visually appealing. Safety first, folks. Always use a hand guard or glove to protect your fingers. Mandoline slicers are incredibly sharp, and it's easy to get carried away. Hold your veggies firm and slice away from you. This technique not only ensures even slices, but also keeps your fingers safe. Adjust the thickness for the perfect cut every time. Cucumbers for salads? Easy. Just set the slicer to your desired thickness and glide the cucumber across the blade. Julienne carrots for stir-fries? No problem. The Mandoline slicer makes quick work of this task, giving you perfectly uniform matchsticks in seconds. Thin potato slices for homemade chips? Done and done. You'll get those perfect thin slices that fry up beautifully for crispy, delicious chips. Cleaning is a breeze too. Most Mandoline slicers are designed for easy cleaning, with removable blades and parts that can be rinsed underwater. Just rinse carefully and store it safely. Make sure it's completely dry before putting it away to prevent any rust or damage. Wondering which Mandoline to buy? There are many great options out there, each with its own set of features and benefits. The OXO Good Grips Mandoline Slicer is super safe and easy to use. It's a popular choice for home cooks due to its user-friendly design and reliable performance. For professional results, try the Benrina Japanese Mandoline. Known for its precision and durability, it's a favorite among chefs. So, why wait? Master the Mandoline slicer and transform your cooking. With a little practice, you'll be slicing like a pro in no time. Your dishes will look and taste amazing. Impress your family and friends with beautifully presented meals that are as delicious as they are visually stunning.